Start by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension. As you settle into your breath, imagine yourself in a serene forest. Picture the tall trees surrounding you, their leaves whispering in a gentle breeze. With each inhale, visualize the fresh scent of pine and earth filling your senses. Now take another deep breath in. Feel your chest rise, and as you exhale, imagine the stress leaving your body like the fallen leaves drifting to the ground. Inhale deeply again, feeling the energy of the forest entering you, and exhale, releasing any heaviness that you may carry. Now picture yourself walking along a soft, mossy path. You can hear a nearby stream, its water sparkling in the sunlight. With every step you take, notice the smooth stones beneath your feet, grounding you in this peaceful place. Pause for a moment and listen closely. Hear the gentle trickle of the stream, the chirping of birds in the trees, and the rustle of leaves. Let these sounds wash over you, creating a soothing symphony that calms your mind. Continue to walk until you reach a sunlit meadow. The grass is lush and green, dotted with vibrant wildflowers swaying in the breeze. Imagine lying down on the soft ground, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. As you lie there, take a deep breath in, feeling the warmth envelop you. Exhale slowly, imagining any worries or stress melting into the earth beneath you. You're safe here, surrounded by nature's beauty. Now, bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling a sense of calm filling your body. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly, letting go of anything that doesn't serve you. When you're ready, gently start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the surface beneath you, feeling the air around you. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes slowly. Carry this sense of peace and connection to nature with you as you move through your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself.